Want some? My name is Juan. I'm 6 feet 3 inches and I weigh 320 pounds. And I'm here at Weistec to see if they can give me a solution because my knee are hitting the dashboard and it's a really uncomfortable position to me to drive for more than an hour. And we don't have much gap in here, barely 2 fingers. So we trying to get a big boy kit to be more comfortable, increase my driving capabilities. So let's see what Mike can do for us. All right, thank you for having my car ready. They've been doing something magic with the seats, so let's see what's going on. Wow. Wow. How much higher it went? Like a mile?
Yeah, I believe it raised it up about 2 inches.
Nah.
Yep.
I never thought 2 inch can do that much.
Shouldn't be touching your knees anymore.
No, I got like 4 fingers, but it's not just that. It's a position. It's you get in and you felt comfortable. It's not like you sitting in a toilet with your knees and your ears, you know. Dude, it looks like a Mercedes-Benz GT. These brackets in there, so the shoulders. Oh. Yeah, the angle it takes, it's way better now. Yeah, no, I'm 100% good. I mean, the legs are straight, like you should, no, with the knees up. It looks like, before it looks like I was driving a go-kart, you know? And the seatbelts are way more comfortable. And I'm 320 pounds, so it's not easy to get comfortable on these toys. I'm so happy. I'm happy for real.